He is someone who is still working with us now. The problem is not that God is not speaking. The problem is often that we do not recognize how He speaks. We often look for signs, something clear, something obvious, something extraordinary. But God often comes in a different way, quietly, simply, through the ordinary movements of life. Sometimes we come when someone gentle asks us, "Are you okay?" Sometimes we come through our body, telling us what we are tired, but we need to slow down. Sometimes we come. We put the effort in our head, in our heart. Through the tensions in a relationship, inviting us to reflect, to listen, to change. But here is something we need to be honest about. Sometimes, deep down, we already know. We know a step we need to take. We know something we need to change. We know a truth we need to face. Let me give you a simple example. Sometimes we already know that we are taking on too much. Our body tells us we are tired. People around us can see, and we are overwhelmed. Deep down, we know we need to slow down, to let something go, and yet we keep going. We're trying to do everything. But without peace, without focus, often without releasing anything well. Not because we don't know, but because we are not ready to accept what is being so